Hello. So a very good friend of mine sent me a big box. So I'm gonna open a box today. I told her I received a box from Wholesale Ninja and I didn't like the stuff I received. So she does these, she buys lockers and she likes to send me stuff from her finds in the lockers. So we're just gonna open this box. I've already opened the box, so I'm just gonna show you what she sent me. So let's take a look. It's a nice bow. The cover is really nice. It's very nice. Let's see what's next. USB computers with just VG monitor. Okay. USB if you like to plug in a whole lot of items. Still new in the box, which is good. See what else she sent me. Oh. She sent me, oh, this is great. Let's take a look and see. Ah, still in the box, wrapped up. Nice. Wow. It's great. Still got in the box. So that's great. What are they called? Okay, collector's bell. Let's see. Nice. Joy to the world. Oh. Don't know if you can hear it. It's nice. Okay, so while that plays, let's take a look. This is really nice. Okay, see what else? Okay. Christmas is just around the corner. This is good. Decorate the table with. It's very nice. It's very nice, very nice, very nice. It's machine washable as well. Okay. Interesting. Let's see what else. Okay. It's nice for the table. Okay, let's see what else she sent. Great. Classic collections. It's nice. What else? Okay. So for your candle. It's great. See what's else in the box. Okay. Some more of the collectible bells. Another collectible bell. What are these? Guess you hang them on the wall. Put a bigger candle or something. So that's not bad. It's another one. Candle stand. Thank you very much. Oh, Christmas blessing pillow. It's nice. Okay, this is a nice one. Dove tray. Doesn't say who it's from, but we can find out. Let's see what else. These decorative pieces. Wow. Nice. Guess can hang them on the wall. It's another one. Oh, okay. Guess you can put candles or in a holder. Don't know what it is. Okay, keep all candles product away from children. Okay, it's for your candle holder. Great. What else? Lastly, well, so she already said she sent me more boxes. So this is one of 4 boxes, which is great. I got in touch with Wholesale Ninja. I told them I wasn't happy about the box they sent me as a first buyer. I was expecting to see more interesting things in the box, and they promised to send me another box. So when I receive that box, I will unbox it, and hopefully they have some goodies in that box. Much better than the one they sent me. So, bye.